Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. Today we've got something from Japan. What we've got here is a box from 5 a.m. Ramen. There's a fella named Frank in Japan that assembles boxes of some of the best stuff. He goes to all the best ramen shops and tries all the really super premium varieties from Japan. And he sent along a bunch of them. So let's check these out. Oh, nice. And when you crack open one of his boxes, it's got a little thank you card. He put a little note on mine. Thank you, man. There's all sorts of different QR codes on this. Here's the other side. He does ramen tours, food tours. I mean, there's just all sorts of cool stuff to check out on his website. Here's the website. And that's where you can buy stuff and book tours and all of that. So let's see what's in the box and check it out. All right, so the first one we have here is by a company. I can never tell what it's supposed to be. Is it New Touch? Is it Yamadai? It might be kind of like the difference between Marashan and Toyo Suisan. Toyo Suisan is the big company. Marashan is one of their brands. I think it's kind of like that, which Yamadai is the big company and New Touch is their brand. I don't know. But this, I'm just going to call it New Touch Winter Shio Ramen. Does have a little mention that it is spicy right down here. And yeah, well, that might just be like nice and hot for winter months, but I don't know. But this is a fancy bowl. They're all like this size. They're all big, and I can't wait to crack into this one. Thanks. And this is another New Touch variety. This is their Yamagata Chinese chicken. At least I think that's what it is. That was the translation I figured from it. It'll be a chicken forward bowl, as I think Frank would put it. And yeah, I'm stoked. So here we have another New Touch variety. This is the New Touch Nara Tenri Stamina Ramen. Pretty sure the stamina has to do with garlic. I could be wrong. But I know there's this stamina sauce, which I've seen in a lot of Japanese varieties. And I think that's all about garlic. So we'll see. And here we've got another New Touch variety. This is their spicy dan dan. This looks really good. From the picture on it, I'm getting that it's going to be kind of a thicker broth, a bit spicy, and probably very oily. So yeah, cool. And now we've got a Sapporo Ichiban variety. This is their Sapporo Rich Miso. And this one, I guess, is a collaboration with a restaurant. Yeah. And this is going to be a primo bowl. Like with all of these, the noodles are different. They're not regular instant. Let's see. How long does this one take? 5 minutes. So it's going to be a more oomphy kind of thing. I should also, I figure while I'm at it, if you look right there, see that? See how it's got the big number? The big number is how many minutes, and then the smaller number followed by ml is the milliliters of liquid that are going to be required to hit that line with the stuff in it exactly where it should be. So that's, if you ever get a variety from Japan and you have no clue of how to cook it, that's probably going to help you out, unless it's a dry variety and you can't figure out that. Also, another way to look things up is the barcode. If you type that in, do Google Translate, it'll be kind of hairy, but it'll work. And finally, we've got a New Touch variety. This is their Shinshu Miso Ramen. I've got no clue. I don't know if it has to do with a restaurant. That could be what that logo is there. I don't know, but this is definitely a premium variety. So I want to thank Frank again over at 5 a.m. Ramen for sending these over. These are awesome, and I can't wait to tear into them and give them reviews. If you want to get some, here's the link. And yeah, check out the stuff he's got over there. You can get boxes, all that good stuff. So yeah, I can't wait. Well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.